must be Cruella, your dearly devoted old schoolmate, dear Cruella DeVil.
So I have this wig that I'm going to be putting on. Now, if you want me to do a full review on this dress, let me know down in the comment box. I love opening up packages. I'm not being sponsored by this company on Amazon, but I just needed something quick. So I needed something with spots. So if you guys want the items in this video, go ahead and click the link down in the comment box. It does help out the channel. So I decided to go with this. You're wondering what that is? It is a purse. There we go.
Had better beware.
I feel like a grandma. Okay, I definitely need to style this one because this grandma look isn't working for me. I'll be back. It's still a nay. I gotta get these bangs down. This side's not bad. Grab these just in case. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, guys. I got the gloves on. Looks kind of nice. Looks kind of nice. All right, let's go ahead and try this dress on.
Are you ready for it?
Look out for Cruella DeVil.